Hi students, hello everyone. In today's session, we will discuss the anhydrous of a particular acid. Maximum students are confused here. You don't confuse here. I will explain the details with examples. How to identify the anhydrous of a particular acid. Now we will discuss with the oxides of nitrogen. See students, mainly nitrogen. Mainly from the 5 types of oxides. First two oxides, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide. These two are neutral oxides. Next one, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, N2O4, or this is also written like this, NO2, nitrogen dioxide, and a nitrogen pentoxide. Totally remember it, nitrogen mainly from the 5 types of oxides. They are these two and these three. Totally 5 oxides are there. So students, we will discuss anhydrous compounds. The compound, when it is hydrolysis, it gives a particular acid. Then the oxide is called to be anhydrous of that acid. So if I suppose nitrogen trioxide, the formula of nitrogen trioxide is N2O3. Hydrolysis of this one, it gives nitrous acid. The formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. So to balancing this, write the 2 here. 2 hydrogens, 2 nitrogens, 2 2s are 4 oxygens, here 3 oxygen and 1 oxygen. So here N2O3 is called anhydrous of nitrous acid. Its formula is HNO2. Like, see one more example. Suppose nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. This is also hydrolysis. It gives HNO3. Name of this one is nitric acid. There is also multiple with 2. This is nitrous acid. This one is nitric acid. So here N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide, is called anhydrous of HNO3. Okay, students, remember a simple trick how to identify that. Either this oxidation state is +3. In product is also its oxidation state is +3. It's no change the oxidation state because the adic molecule is water molecules. The oxidation state of nitrogen is +5 in pentoxide. There is also oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. Okay, students, I understood. Anhydrous compound, the oxide which is hydrolysis gives a particular acid. Then that oxide is said to be anhydrous of that particular acid. For suppose nitrogen dioxide, this is always diatomic molecule. Formula is N2O4. Hydrolysis of this one, it gives 2 types of acids. One is nitrous acid, another one is nitric acid. Nitrous acid and nitric acid. So 2 hydrogen, 2 nitrogens, 4 plus 1, 5 oxygens, here 2 oxygens, here 3 oxygens. So here N2O4 is called anhydrous of both nitrous oxide and nitric oxide. Here N2O4 is called, very important students in competition exams, N2O4 is called anhydrous of HNO2 and HNO3. Very important students, don't confuse this. These are anhydrous compounds. These all are anhydrous of particular acids. Okay, this is more useful in computations. Please remember it.